fourth one here. Here fourth question is polynomial this 0 comma 0 2 comma 2 minus 2 comma minus 2. So solution here, polynomial equation. So equation will come like this: x minus 0 into x minus 0 into x minus 2 into x minus 2 into x plus 2 into x plus 2. So this will come here. This is x plus 2, x plus 2. This x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 0, x minus 0 will come here. So is equal to 0 will come here, is equal to 0. So this is x minus 0, x, this minus x minus x is x into x square here. This is x minus 2 whole square, this is x plus 2 whole square is equal to 0. Now from this x square will write like that only, x minus 2 into x plus 2 whole square will write here is equal to 0, like a square b square is equal to ab whole square, like that. So this is I am writing like this, and it will become x square into x plus 2 into x minus 2, x minus 2 into x plus 2 is equal to x square minus 4 will come whole square is equal to 0. And here x square into this is a minus b whole square formula, it will become x square minus this is 2 4 8 x square plus 16 is equal to 0 whole square over na? So this is x square, we have to multiply again. X square into x is equal to x to the power of 4, x square into 8x square, here x to the power of 4 will come, sorry, 8 will come here. So x power of this one whole square na, x square whole power of square is equal to x power of 4 na, this 2 into 4 will become 2 power of 8, x power of 8, x power of 8 minus x square into 8x square, x to 8x power of 4 plus 16 x square is equal to 0 will come here. So this is answer of fourth question. Now moving to the fifth question. Now fifth question solution here we will find in another way. It will become 1 plus root 3 into 1 minus root 3 and 2 comma 5. So these 4 are given here. So here one thing we'll do here, this is root of solution here x minus 1 plus root 2, okay, 1 plus root 2, in another one x minus 1 minus root 3, this is x minus 2, this is x minus 5 is equal to 0 here. Now first we will take these two and after that we will multiply these two. First here these two means x minus 1 plus root 3, okay, sorry, minus root 3. So we will multiply with this one, it will become minus root 3 will come here. So another thing here x minus 1 plus root 3 will come, I will multiply with this one, that okay. So it will become like this, and after that I will do this something here to this one. So this is x minus 2 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. So it will become this I will take, and this is what we can say, this is we can write it as, so I will not take this one, I will this one take, I will x minus 1 minus root 3, this one I will take x minus 1 plus root 3, this I will take from this total equation, okay. So this is I will multiply x into x square, x into 5 minus 5x, this is minus 2x, this is 2 5 10 plus 10, okay, is equal to 0. So here also a minus b into a plus b will come here, a square, x minus 1 whole square, in here minus b square means root 3 whole square. So this will come here, and again this will x square minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0 will come here, 10x is equal to 0 will come, 10 is equal to. Now this will become x square minus how much will come here, 2x plus 1 minus 3 will come here, this into this x square minus 7x plus 10 here is equal to 0, and what will come here, this is become minus 2 will come here, minus 2. After this multiplying these things, first x square into this x square minus 7x plus 10 will come, and after that minus 2x into x square minus 7x plus 10 will come, minus 2, this is become minus 2 na, so minus 2 into, so this total, so x square minus 7x plus 10 will come is equal to 0. So x square into x, this x square into x, I am writing here x power of 4, x square into 7x, this 7x minus 7x cube. Here x square into 10 plus 10x square. Here plus, sorry, here minus na, minus 2x. Minus 2x into x square minus 2x cube. Here minus 2x into 7x, 7 to the 14 plus 14 x into x, x square. So here minus 2x into 10 minus 20x. Got it na? So here minus 2 there. Okay. So here minus 2 there. So minus 2 into x square minus 2x square minus plus 14x minus 20 here is equal to 0 will come. So lastly answer is x to the power of 4. Here minus 7x cube minus 2x cube is equal to minus 9x cube. Minus 9x cube will come. So this one. So here after that x squares, where is x square? 10x square, 14, 24x square will come, and minus 2x square, minus 22x plus 22x square will come here. And after that here 20x, okay, here 14x, how much will come? Minus 6x will come, and minus 20 is equal to 0. This is the answer here. Okay. Now moving to the next question, sixth one. Now this is the sixth question, you can do also. So please pause the video and do first after watch my video. Okay. So equation is x minus 0 into x minus 1 into, so x minus 3 by 2. Okay, x minus, sorry, already x minus alpha, x minus beta, this is x minus gamma into x minus, sorry, x minus delta. So in this already minus is there na, it will become plus. Okay, minus 3 by 2 will become plus 3 by 2 into x plus 5 by 2 only also will come here. So this is x minus 0 means x into x minus 1. This is x plus 3 by 2 into x plus 5 by 2 will come is equal to 0. So this is equal to 0 here. So this will become x into x, x square will come. So x square minus x will come here into, this is also we multiply x into x, x square, x into 5, 5 by 5x by 2. This is 3 into x plus 3x by 2 plus 3 5 ja 15 by so 2 2 ja 4 here will is equal to 0 will come. So x square minus x into this will come as all the like LCM is become 4. Okay, LCM become 4, we can take like that also. So we'll do one thing here. So we'll do one thing, x square plus this is basis 2 here, 8x, okay, plus 15 by 4 will come here is equal to 0. 2 1 ja 2 4 ja. So x square minus x into x square plus 4x plus 15 divided by 4 will come is equal to 0. Okay na? So now we'll multiply with this one. So with this one to this one and this one to total. So x square into x square plus 4x plus 15 by 4 will come, and minus x into x square plus 4x plus 15 by 4 will come is equal to 0. If we do x square to if multiplication is this, so it will come x to the power of 4 is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 4x into x square. How much? 4x cube will come plus 15x square. This 15x square by 4 will come. 15x square by 4 will come. After that minus x into, so x into x square, x cube will come, minus 4 into x minus 4x square, and after that minus x into this one minus 15x by 4, 15x by 4 is equal to 0 will come here. So what will the answer? X power of 4 plus x cube is also there? No there. So 4x cube and 15x square divided by 4 minus 4x square. This x cube is there na, x cube minus 3x cube, 4x cube is equal to 3x cube we can write. Okay na? So here 4x square we will write directly, and here minus 15x divided by 4 is equal to 0 here is equal to 0. Now we'll do LCM. So denominator total LCM will become 4. So it will become 4 into x square, 4x to the power of 4. Here 4 3 ja 12, 12x cube. So this 15x, because denominator is 4 only, 4 will directly that only, 15x square will come, 4 4 ja 16 will come, minus 16x square, this 4 only na, minus 15x is equal to 0 will come. So this 4 total denominator of 4 will become, goes to the right side of the equation, it will become 0. Now answer will become 4x to the power of 4 plus 12x cube. This will become minus x square will come, minus 15x is equal to 0. This is 15 plus 15x square minus 16x square is equal to minus x square will come. So this is the answer here. Now moving to the next question, second one. Now second question is given that solution here. So alpha, beta, gamma are the roots of this equation is given. He is saying that then find the values of this one. So we'll think that this is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus 3 is equal to 0. So from this we have to find this one only na. So here so alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. Now here he asking us to find this value na, value of this one. So this one alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c by a. What is c? Coefficient of x, coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x cube. So this is, so here c is equal to in this c is equal to what? 7. 7 divided by a is equal to how much? 4. 7 by 4 is the answer of this question here. Now moving to the next question, third one. Now third question is given that if 1 comma 1 comma alpha are the roots of the x cube minus 6x square plus 9x minus 4 is equal to 0, then find the alpha here. He asking us to find the alpha. Now solution here. So given that 1 comma 1 comma alpha are the roots of x cube minus 6x square plus 9x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay na? So these values are roots here. So S1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, so what will come here? What will come? Minus b by a will come. So this will come minus b by a. This is coefficient of x square divided by what will come? Coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x cube will come. So here for this minus will come here. Okay na? So this is, now here minus b of this one is equal to minus 6. Minus 6 of minus 6 divided by a is equal to 1 here. So alpha is equal to 1 plus 1, beta is equal to 1 plus delta is equal to gamma is equal to alpha. So here will come. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 plus alpha is equal to this minus into minus plus here 6. So alpha is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. So alpha is equal to how much? 4 is the answer here. Now moving to the next question, fourth one. Now fourth question solution here. So same question as third one. So minus 1 comma 2 comma alpha is given are the two roots of this. These are the three roots of 2x cube plus x square minus 7x plus 6 is equal to 0 here. So we have to find the alpha then. Now same like question is alpha beta gamma is given. So this is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to what we can write it as minus b by a. So minus b is equal to how much here? 1 divided by minus 1 divided by x cube, coefficient of x cube is equal to 2 here. So this will come here. Now this minus 1 plus 2 plus alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2 will come na. So here this is 1 plus alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2. So alpha is equal to minus 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to here. So it will become alpha is equal to this 1 will goes here na. So it will become 1, this one only. So 2 1 are 2, minus 1 minus 2 divided by 2. So this is minus 3 by 2 will come here, where alpha is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now moving to the next question, fifth one. Now fifth question is given that here, if solution here. So he is saying that 1 and minus 2 and 3 are the roots of this one, and he asking us to find the a value. So a here there na. So this way we have to find x cube minus 2 x square plus ax plus 6 is equal to 0. So we'll think that this is f of x. So he is saying that these are the total roots of this one. So I will submit 1 in the this x place. Okay. So f of 1 is equal to x cube, in the place 1 I will write x cube minus 2 x square. So here 1 square plus a into 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. So this 1 cube is equal to how much we can write as minus 1. Okay. So here it will become minus 2 plus a plus 6 is equal to 0 here. Now this is minus 1. Okay, minus 1. 6 minus 1, 5. A plus 5 is equal to 0 and a is equal to minus 5 is the answer here. This is the answer of this question. So now moving to the next question, sixth one. Now here sixth one question is given that if the products of the roots of this one, so solution here will take product of the roots of this here given this 4x cube plus 16x square minus 9 x minus a is equal to 0 na. So we'll compare this with one ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. So from this product of the means alpha, beta, gamma, okay, we'll get 3 is equal to what we'll get here minus d by a, minus d by a. So d is equal to here d only. So in this d is equal to minus a will come divided by a is equal to 4 here, this one, okay na. So my plus a by 4 will come. So he is saying that is equal to 9, okay, the product of the roots of the this equation is 9 here, this one 9 here, I write here 9. So 9 is equal to, so what we got, a by 4 we got here. So a by 4, what we have to find, value a. So a is equal to, this 4 will goes here, and a is equal to 9 into 4. So 9 4 ja 36 will the answer of this a, okay. Now all this is alpha, beta, gamma, where he given this one minus d by a. After that I find this a by 4. So this a by 4 is equal to this one, which one, 9 will come here. He said that like that only 9 will. Question C, one's question 9. So this products of the roots of this equation is 9 here. Then find the a value. So we find that. Now moving to the next question. Now seventh question is find the S1, S2, S3 and S4 are the each of the following equations. So say two questions are there. First one this one and second one also there. Solution here. So S1 is equal to what we can say, alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta. So this 4 will come here is equal to what will come here, minus b by a will come. So given equation this one, okay, and S2 is equal to, so S2 is equal to what, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma delta plus what we can say, delta alpha will come is equal to, so is equal to what will come, c by a na, okay, c by a will come. Now S3 is equal to, so S3 is equal to what will come, alpha beta gamma plus and beta gamma delta plus gamma delta alpha plus delta and alpha plus beta is equal to what will come here, minus d by a will come. So S4 is equal to what will come here, alpha beta gamma delta will come is equal to e by a will come. These are the values. So from this we have to find these values and we have to submit in the equations. Minus b by a, minus b by a, so minus 16 of minus divided by a is equal to 1 here. It will become how much will become answer here, 16 here. Now here c by a, c is equal to how much here, 86, 86 by 1 is equal to 86, well 86. D minus d by a, d is equal to this one, abcd minus 176 minus 176 divided by a, 1 is equal to plus 76, 176 is equal to e by a, is equal to how much, 105, 105 divided by a means 1 only, so is equal to 105 will come. So these are the answers here, okay. Now moving to the next question. So same question, same only here solution. So here given question is 8x power of 4 minus 2x cube minus 27x square plus 6x plus 9 is equal to 0 na. So in this S1 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma plus delta will come is equal to minus b by a. S2 is equal to, so here what will get, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma delta, so plus delta alpha is equal to how much will come, c by a will come here. S3 is equal to, how much, alpha beta gamma plus beta gamma delta plus gamma delta alpha plus delta alpha beta is equal to minus d by a will come here. So S4 is equal to alpha beta gamma delta will come is equal to what will come here, e by a will come. So minus b by a is equal to what will come here, minus of minus 2 by 4 will come is equal to 2048, this one. So here 2 1 ja 2 4 ja 1 by 4 will come here. Now c by a, c is equal to how much, 27, a is equal to 8, minus 27 divided by 8 will come. So from this minus d is equal to how much? D is equal to 6 minus 6 divided by 8. So 6 by 8, 2 3 ja 2 4 ja means 3 by 4 will come here. So E by A, E is equal to 9 by 8. So 9 by 8 is the answer. So these are the first section 1 completed here, and moving to the second section, we'll meet in the next lesson, next class. Thank you guys. Stay tuned and please subscribe and share to your friends who need these chapters. Okay, thank you guys.